Good morning world. Good morning. Good morning. So from France, so this is Next Etoile. So we are this way. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So this is there. It's good. So that where the people's coming from is they're down, which is the line 3 and the line 2 of the tram. And so this is here, and this is the line 1. So I really don't have time now to go there in the center, so in Messina. So there it's very beautiful. So this is the tram. So there it's coming, the tram. So look at this, very beautiful in the two trams stop. So there is the Messina tram station. So there the Messina tram station, and it's coming. Wait, I'm making long form video.
This money smell like home. Here? Where are you living? Where are you living?
So I just arrived here at my workplace. So I love this one. Look at this, guys. So I really love this plants. This is kind of indoor plants. And this is so beautiful. It looks like plastic. You see this, guys? It's like plastic. I really love this one. And it's the same as here. Look. Wow, what a beautiful. This takes long to finish. Look. It's almost 3 months. So here it is. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.